we would travel. We went to the Baltic Sea coast of Palanga. But the most amazing thing was somebody built a sukkah on the seashore in Trakai. There's a palace, there's a castle in Trakai. But there's a Canadian Jewish man who's from Lithuania, and he runs a business. I think the name is Esperanza. And I'm saying this not to give him an ad, but because he invited 60 people from the Litvak Congress to go to this sukkah on the lake in Trakai. And he wined and dined us. But I guess that's why Sukkot is so enjoyable to me, because it's a holiday where you can eat and you can have sweets and you're supposed to enjoy yourself. So I was in Lithuania during Sukkot, and then when we went to the Baltic Sea coast of Palanga and Klaipeda, we went to the synagogue there, and they also had a sukkah. And there were dozens and dozens of Russian people there. They were, again, they don't speak English. There are a lot of Russians, as well as the survivors, very few. But again, it was very special to be there during the holiday.